Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to off battery saver mode in our Technophone. Friends, you want to off your battery saver mode in your Technophone. So friends, how can you turn off in your real Technophone? In this video I will show you friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to off your battery saver mode. So I will on our phone setting. After that guys, you can see this type of setting. Then guys scroll it. Then as you can see guys, your battery life setting wise battery settings, and tap here. Then as you can see this settings, so as you can see this advanced settings, and tap here. Then as you can see your battery saver last option, so you can off from here. So as your battery saver mode will off from here in your Technophone. So are your friends, you understood how to off battery saver in our Technophone? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. And guys, sorry for this sound guys, ignore this sound guys, and really sorry guys, focus on only video guys. Bye friends.